Most animations made by beginners don't look bad because of their drawing. They look bad because the movement feels wrong. And the worst part is most animators spend months trying to fix the wrong problem. Instead though, they focus on better drawings, effects, poses, and rendering, but their animation still somehow feels stiff, still awkward, still weird. And this happens almost in everything. Fight animations, stick figure animations, story animations, even simple drawing animations. One mistake secretly ruins beginner animations more than anything else. And once you notice this mistake, you will start seeing it in beginner animations everywhere. And fixing it can instantly make your animation feel smoother, cleaner, and way more professional. So, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the 3 biggest mistakes beginner animators ever make, and why they completely destroy movement without people realizing it. First mistake, and this is a huge one. Everything moves at the same speed. This makes animation feel robotic instantly. Because beginners usually space every frame evenly, but the real movement doesn't work like that. Fast movements need bigger spacing, while slow movement needs tighter spacing. That difference creates impact, weight, and energy. And also, once you understand this, you stop wasting hours trying to fix animations that were really just timing problems the whole time. The second mistake is something beginners mess up almost all the time. Characters constantly moving for no reason. Tiny arm, head, and camera movements. But you see, strong animation actually needs stillness. When a pose freezes for just a moment, the next movement suddenly feels stronger, cleaner, and more intentional. And once you understand that, your scenes become easier to read instead of turning into visual chaos. Third mistake, and beginners do this way more than they realize, animating way too fast. Let's say you want to create a fight animation. A lot of beginner fight animations move so fast that the audience can't even process what happened. My point is, more frames does not automatically mean better animation. Sometimes slowing down the animation actually helps improve the scene. And that's why readability matters more than speed. And once you realize that, you stop spending entire days over animating scenes no one can even read. But even after spending months trying to master the animation fundamentals, with apps like Flip-a-Clip, Stick Notes, Procreate, and Adobe Animate, the process still takes forever. So, I started building an app called Animator to make animating faster and easier. It's an AI-powered animation tool designed to shrink what used to take teams of animators months of work down into weeks and even days. But I'm still building my app though. But my goal is to have the first beta users trying out that system as early as fall 2026. So, if you want to be notified about future animation videos, tutorials, Diamond Animator updates, and a chance to become one of the first beta users this fall, then click the subscribe button right now.